This video guide will help you set up your GLS sampler for success using Teledyne ISCO's new PFAS sampling kit. Please refer to the PFAS sampling kit manual for more information, including how to better avoid PFAS contamination. This video will explain how to install or use Category 1 items. Please change gloves after every step. Opening part packages can contaminate equipment. Read the included PFAS sampling kit disclaimer statement. The kit also includes some Category 2 items that do not come in contact with the sample, but are used in the sampling process. Teledyne ISCO has developed the kit to make PFAS sampling accurate and easy. To install the pump tubing, align the short end of the tube as shown. Slip the pump tubing under the pump rollers. Rotating the rollers will help to slide the tube through. Align the black stripes just outside the housing. Secure the liquid detector cover by tightening the 2 thumb screws. Secure the pump housing cover by tightening the 4 thumb screws. Attach the long end of the pump tubing to the sampler. Inside the sampler, connect the discharge tube and guide it through the tube guide. Secure the tube guide by tightening the 2 thumb screws. To prepare the suction line, first screw a 3/8 inch tube coupling into the suction line tubing. On the other end of the tubing, screw in the low flow strainer. Insert the tube coupling into the shorter end of the pump tubing. Insert the strainer into the field blank, filled with PFAS-free water. Prepare to collect the equipment blank by holding the open bottle below the discharge tube. Press 3, then enter on the sampler interface. Collect the water in the equipment blank. Promptly cap the bottle. To prepare the Pro Pack, fold in the bottom of the bag to its first corner, and insert the bag into the 2.5 gallon bottle. Secure the Pro Pack bag to the mouth of the bottle with the provided O-ring. Ensure the bag is open to allow the discharge tube to enter easily. For more information, please refer to the PFAS sampling kit manual or visit teledyneisco.com.